ही सुंदर है। Hey guys, after my last video on Lauterbrunnen Valley, we took a train from Interlaken to Bern to Zurich. It was quite late at night when we reached Zurich and we directly headed to our first Airbnb of this series, Europe with Khushi. If you have seen my previous videos, you would know we were staying at our friend's house in Lausanne. And guys, if you want to avail discounts at Airbnb, you can sign up through my link which is mentioned in the description box below. Airbnb is not only cheap but great way to explore local feel of any place, and this is the place in Zurich where we stayed and booked our first Airbnb. Hey guys, so currently I am right in front of the lake Zurich, which could be viewed from my room back there. If you can see that building, that was my room Airbnb. And now we are walking towards the lake. We have checked out and this is our first spot for the day, and post which we will go to Rhine Falls. It was about 7 AM in the morning and we started off for a new exciting day. Hope you all travel lovers watching my videos are enjoying my Euro travel series. Please share these videos to help me reach more people, so come on, hit the subscribe button right now. After Lake Zurich, we headed straight to the Zurich Station to reach Rhine Falls, which is in Neuhausen, which is a couple of stops before the last stop, Schaffhausen. And here we are at the Zurich Station, which happens to be one of the most preferred entry points of Indians into Switzerland. And look at us, we are forever rushing to catch a train through our Eurorail passes. We have came out of the train and taking a walk which is 15 minutes long, and it's quite chilly here, and I'm all packed and ready to see the enormous, super huge, wild Rhine Falls. Let's see it together. Look at that. Welcome to
Rhine Falls.
When you are in Rhine Falls, you could easily enjoy your leisure time for half a day by starting to take a stroll around the magnificent Rhine Falls. Like I was very ecstatic about the fact that I could take a stroll and enjoy the beautiful view right from the fences around. Rhine Falls can be viewed from different angles as it has multi-level steps. Like once I reached there, I took a beautiful view from each and every corner possibly I could, and then I started with my stroll. And of course, needless to say, once you are in such a picturesque place, you got to take some amazing smashing shots which you could upload on your Instagram like I did. If you are not following me on Instagram yet, it's about time that you do.
Look at Mr. Lazy sunbathing in a foggy weather. Wow.
Hey guys, so right now I'm standing in front of the Rhine Falls, which is in Switzerland, and it is huge in size, and the water is so crystal clear and blue that I could see it for hours straight without blinking my eyes.
That is falling right on my face at a large distance like this, and I'm totally loving it.
Then there is a lot of space created to sit and soak in the beauty around the promenade. In the 150-meter wide Rhine Falls, you could take a ride on the boat to reach the tiny island with a castle. The castle you see here is hundreds of years old and has a very good restaurant inside, which is of course expensive. Nevertheless, you could also settle for food by the falls in these open air food joints across the fencing, which is also expensive. And this brings me to share with you how I saved money during my Switzerland trip. So let's begin, shall we? I would recommend using a Swiss Rail Pass or a Eurorail Pass, which is not only economical but time saving and hassle free, since you need not buy a ticket separately for every small journey during your stay in Switzerland or Europe as a whole. We got our Eurail Pass through klook.com. Book an Airbnb instead of a hotel, which is a great way to save money and enjoy at-home feels, and also letting you interact with local people that is the host of the Airbnb. With Airbnb, you could also cook your own meals and save so much on food, like we carried our ready-to-eat meals and rice from India and saved a fortune in expensive country like Switzerland. Don't waste money on buying water every now and then. Refill water through fountains every here and there in Switzerland. If you have seen my DDLJ shoot location video, I have explained in length there. To explore the best parts of Europe, you have to take a walk and stroll and explore the places on your own. You could rely on Google Maps rather than taking guides, or ask the local people there if the Google map doesn't work. In case you want to buy some essentials, use the local supermarkets in the town and avoid the ones at the stations since they are more expensive. Choose to hike rather taking cable cars wherever possible. Watch my Zermatt and Lauterbrunnen video to know all in detail.
So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it, and if you did, then don't be a miser, hit the like button, share and subscribe this video, and I will see you in the next episode of my travel diaries. Till then, keep smiling and be happy. Bye.
Don't forget to check out my other exciting travel videos.